Hi, my name is Ricardo Andrés Rojas. I'm 25 years old. On my free time, I like to watch soccer, be with my family, play VR ball, and study. I live in Valledupar City with my wife and my son. I'm studying industrial engineering. I would like to travel to Eje Cafetero next vacation. On this opportunity, we will learn to cook a cayeye, as they call it in Caribbean region. To start with, in a pot place without shell the guineo. Second, add the water, salt, and boil. Then when the guineo are soft, turn off and discard the water. After that, cut into small pieces all the red onions and tomatoes, and without shell. Add the salt and sauces tomato put in the sauté. And cook for then 10 minutes over medium heat. Meanwhile, crush the guineo, grate the cheese, and reserve on different places. Afterwards, uncover and the pepper, stir and cover. At the end, put the crushed guineo, the tomatoes and onion mixture on top, and finally, rich cheese throughout the dish. Thank you very much.